Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I thought today I'm going to show you finally all the bits that I picked up for Christmas. I can't believe that it has been so long and I've still not gotten around to doing this. It's kind of ridiculous. It's end of January, so anyway, these are all my Christmas presents. I had a few things to tell you guys about. Oh yeah, we went out for a gorgeous meal the other night on Thursday night last week. We went to the Parakeet in Kentish Town. The food was incredible. I would highly recommend that pub. You basically can book a table in the restaurant. I think bookings go live like a month in advance. You can book a table in the restaurant and then also like have cocktails in the bar. So we had a couple of drinks in the bar. Our table was at like 8:15 and then we had a couple of cocktails. I had a pisco sour, Matt had an espresso martini. They were delicious. And then we went through to the bar and had the most incredible food. We had these like little duck tartlets that had like little pieces of roast duck in them, and then they were like little kind of, you know, like just a little canopy bite. It was delicious. We had, what else did we have? Oh, we had like a little baby chicken, which sounds horrible actually now that I say it, but it was so yummy. It was like a little roast chicken. We had some like amazing cabbage and then like crispy roast potatoes. Everything was like really rich in flavor. It was so good. People describe it as being very similar to Brat, so if you like Brat then definitely check it out. It was great and it was just cozy vibes. If you're coming to London and you're looking for like a nice upmarket pub meal, the Parakeet in Kentish Town, definitely check it out. Anyway, let me just show you now everything that I got for Christmas. We have the stocking. This is my most exciting bit. I love on Christmas Day opening my stocking. This one I got new. This is like part of my Christmas present actually. This is from the Tartan Blanket Company. I just love the pattern on this. I feel like the stars are so Christmassy and I love the colours and I feel like I'm going to have this for years to come. I actually thought about getting Matt one as well, but it was like £45 and I didn't think he would appreciate it as much as me. It's got the little TB Co logo there and I think it's just so cute. So I obviously took the stocking home. My mum filled it. My mum does me, my brother and sister and Matt when he comes like a really amazing stocking. She's so good. Like she got the boys like loads of cool stuff and she does so well with the girls stuff. So let me just show you the first thing, and I actually picked a lot of these things even though these are actually from Santa Claus. This little Baggu reversible bag. I got the red colour. I actually picked this myself and sent it to my mum. I was like, please can I have this for Christmas? I love the Baggu totes. I think they do the coolest, most fun styles and you can't go wrong. So handy and flat and thin to put in your bag for work. And then on your way home when you need to do your food shopping. Actually, I've never opened this, so let's see how we get on here. Like this. I feel like it's just nice. I love red. I feel like I'm really getting into my red era. I love like a pop of red colours. I don't know. A little Garnier sheet mask. Oh, this is so cute. I forgot about this. A little fox tree decoration. Oh, I'm going to put that on our tree next year. I'm going to leave that out to the side. And that's because we love our foxes in our old house, if any of you remember. 2 pairs of socks from Le Bon Shop. I actually picked these when we were in Manchester and I'm so excited to actually wear them. I completely forgot that I had these. These are such cool, comfy socks. I love the kind of yellow and brown stripes and then they've got like Le Bon Shop there. And then these ones are just such a cute, cozy colour. I love a fresh pair of socks. I feel like I'm a bit of a fiend for that, so love these. My mum also got me one of the Clinique Black Honey lip glosses. This is one of the lip and cheek tints and it's an oil. Love it. I love the Black Honey range. As you know, I wear the lipstick quite a lot and I just love a lip oil. I feel like it's such a great gift. That was a couple of bits from my stocking. I'm not going to go through everything. I also have a tube of Smarties though. I need to mention them. They're like some of my favourite sweets. We just finished Matt's big tube of Smarties downstairs and we're ready for the next ones. These are like some of my favourites. Part of my main gift, I'm not going to go through everything and tell you where everything's from and who they're from, but I'm just going to run through them. So I got a shampoo and conditioner from Living Proof. Love this shampoo and conditioner. This is for full hair. Well, no, it's to give you full hair. I feel like they're really good for fine hair. It gives a little bit of lift and yeah, I feel like I love the scent of them. You get really big bottles on Amazon where you can kind of keep them in the shower and they have a pump and I do like those, but for now we have these. My mum also picked up from Space NK for me. She's been using this product she's been using this product and loves it, and she picked up for me one of the Sam McKnight. I don't know if you can properly see this. This is the Sundays by Sam McKnight, and it's just like a texture spray. It says sea salt spray, and you basically like spray it in, leave it, dry your hair, or maybe you can also use it on dry hair. Capture the spirit of Ibiza summers. I feel like I can hear someone yelling. Oh, it's Matt's PlayStation. I was like, who's like gasping for help down there? God. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm giving off the Ibiza vibe while I'm walking to the office every day, but I love this stuff. It's really good. I've actually been using it since I've gotten back. I also said to my mum when she asked me, what do you want for Christmas? I said, just go to Space NK and get me some lovely things. And she really kindly, I'm obsessed with my diptyque candle that I have downstairs that I got for my birthday. She really kindly picked me up the mimosa scent in the kind of, whatever this size candle is. I think it's the, 190 grams it is, so it's this size. This smells so fresh. I mean, you can smell it through the box. It smells so fresh and like kind of, not powdery, but it's like, I don't even know how to describe it, like geranium or something. I mean, it must smell like mimosa, the plant, right? I don't know, but it smells gorgeous. I'm so excited to light this one. My sister very kindly picked me up Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. This is like one of my favourite lip liners. I've used this colour for years. It is just the nicest, most easy to wear shade, and I get so much wear out of it. I've got one in my coat pocket that I wear to the office and is literally that size now, so really happy to have that. She also got me one of the Dior nail glows. I've actually been using the Essie nail varnish top coat that Molly Campsey recommended on her Instagram, and oh my god, it's amazing. It literally makes your nails look like you've got shellac on. I've had these on for a few days now and they're a little bit worn, but it looks incredible. I love the shine. Yeah, this is a Dior nail glow. Let me just open it. I actually asked for this. Tijan, if anyone follows Tijan on Instagram, always wears it on her hands, and her hands look stunning. And it's just, it inspired me to pick it up basically, but it's just like a really nice light coat for those days where you don't want to wear a bright nail varnish. It's just like a nice, make your nails look alive sort of vibe. And it's this like really cool bright pink colour, which I think is lovely. I also got a gorgeous pair of socks from Finisterre. Love these. I've actually got a few pairs of these in different thicknesses, and these ones are just so good for like with your chunky black boots. I love socks as a gift. They're such a good one. This is a little bit bashed because obviously I brought it back from Scotland, but I got an Elmis Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. Love this. I really needed a restock of this and I'm really glad. Really sadly though, and annoyingly, the person, whoever is the thief in the shop, stole the face cloth from the top of it, which I think is a little bit not good. Especially when it's from like Space NK and you pay like 40 quid for this. Unless there is no face cloth anymore. I'm pretty sure you do get a face cloth. Anyway, it's the product inside. Love this. It's so hydrating. It really like makes your skin feel like you've had a good cleanse, but you feel like you're in a spa when you're doing it. It's so nice. So I'm really happy with that. I also got a new Glossier You perfume. This is one of my favorite scents. I wear Chloe usually, just the original Chloe. Love it so much, but this is just like a bit more of an oomph. The Chloe one is a little bit more floral. It's like running through a fields of daisy sort of vibe. Whereas this is a bit more, I don't know, it has personality and like punch to it. I really like this. I don't know anyone that doesn't like this. It's a really nice one. It's gone up in price. This bottle is £62 and I'm pretty sure it used to be 45. But anyway, love that. Matt's brother and his wife and kids got me, they got me a bunch of things. They actually got me a gorgeous vase from Oliver Bonus that I'm going to put on the screen now. But they also picked up for me this diary from Papier, which has my name on it and I love it. I feel like it's such a nice gift for somebody. Just something personalised is just like such a nice treat, don't you think? I'm going to be using this for work. I've not actually used it yet because I've been saving it to show you guys, but I'm going to use this for work. Matt's mum also got me a bunch of things like different bits and bobs, and some of the bits are super useful and also on the stationery theme. She got me a little password logbook to kind of like store passwords and all those little bits and bobs that you don't want to lose track of. And then also, I'm going to open this and put this downstairs. This is like a checklist pad. So whenever we're going to the shops, or you know, you need to pick up a few things and whatever, you can write a little note. So we're going to keep these downstairs and use them for keeping track of things. What else did I get? Oh, my brother got me this book, which is called The Story of a Heart by Rachel Clark, and it's a Sunday Times bestseller. And he said it is one of the most heart-wrenching. Did he say heart-wrenching? No, he said it was like most moving books he's ever read. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a read. Oh no, that's Rob Delaney. Okay, fine. I thought he was a co-author. Yeah, excited to read this. I'm also going to put a picture on the screen. I'm sure I talked to you guys in a vlog about this over Christmas. I got a pair of brown suede boots that are still in my sister's flat in Edinburgh. I was planning to bring them back with me when I went up there for my dad's birthday, but I completely forgot. Anyway, they are the most gorgeous brown suede boots. They're from M&S, but they're like June through M&S. And guys, you have to get them if you're even considering a bit of a small, it's a really small low heel, but just with like a nice longer skirt, or like, you know, when you just fancy going out in the evening, like wearing something a bit nicer. Even like straight leg jeans, you could tuck into them. Love them. They're just like gorgeous suede chocolate brown. Obsessed. I can't wait to get my hands on them. Then my mum also surprised me with a lounge set. So she got me and my sister matching ones. I've actually already worn this. It is from, I think this is Marks and Spencer's as well. Yeah, it's M&S body. She got me in the size medium, and this is just the most gorgeous, comfy, lovely, like bluebell color. I love the color blue. Like loungewear, and it's just super comfy. It's this kind of like, I can't tell if you can actually see the material or not, but it's super comfy and like fluffy, warm V-neck lounge set, and you get the trousers with it. My mum got my sister the the cuffed ones, and then she got me the ones with the wide leg because she knows I like the wide leg, and they're so comfy. We just wore them over Christmas, and it was so lovely and cozy. And we cuddled up and watched movies in them. Not cuddled up, but you know what I mean. Cuddled up on the sofa, watched some films, had such a snuggly, warm and cozy time. It was so nice. I also got this little peach ring dish. I feel like this is super cute. Just to kind of like sit on the side, catch my rings and look sweet. I actually might put this in the bathroom because I always take my rings off when I'm having a shower or like washing my hands properly, all of that stuff. So maybe I will put that downstairs. And then my auntie also picked me up these two little dishes. These two little dishes, which I thought are going to be so sweet, with olives or like crisps or like some hummus, stuff like that, for when we have some guests around. I thought they're really sweet. They are kind of like scalloped on the edges, and yeah, I feel like they're just really sweet. I'm like so getting into tableware, guys. Like since I got my lovely stripy tablecloth, I'm like kind of obsessed. We also have been doing some really big, exciting changes in the house. Not really big, God, we just like painted a room, but you guys are gonna see a video on that really soon. No, maybe not really soon, in a few weeks time, but we are making progress with the house. I'm just so excited to show everyone because yeah, it's coming together. It's looking so nice. Anyway, that is everything that I got for Christmas. Well, it's not everything, but it's a lot of the things. Can't wait to use all my new bits now. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on Sunday for another video. It's going to be a vlog. It's potentially going to be a vlog of last weekend when I went to Edinburgh. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye.